Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, now here in Canada temperature is rising and snow is melting, as you can see in front of my house too. But as a homeowner, there are certain tasks we must see, and some of these could be shocking to you also. Right now I'm standing on this concrete driveway, and I feel like the ground beneath it has been compromised because of intense raining, snowfall, whatever you say. So maybe I need to go for leveling. Along with that, I do see lot of minor concrete chipping or damage, as you can see. Yeah, I'll focus towards my leg. See, okay. So once everything is over and everything is dried up, I need to move these broken pieces and apply the patch on it. And I did fill some cracks, but it looks like they are even widening here, as you can see. Yeah, these cracks, and I see it's tilting. So it happens when the snowfall, raining are too much. Okay, and I see other direction. Other few things you need to check is to check your gutter lines, and gutters need to be cleaned, especially if there's a tree that covers on top, like goes on top of your house. That you must check now. This is the right time. You have to check. Now for this downspout, I have no issues because this kit is taking the water away, so it's good. And during the summer, I had sealed this area, so this is really good because this year snowfall was intense. So had I not filled this, lot of moisture, water would have gone there and would have created trouble for me in the basement. So again, during the summer, I'll clean this area once more, and I'll see if I need to do anything. Most probably I don't, but still I'll take a look if I have to, because this is where we need to do a lot of things. I had seen some cracks last year. I had made a video also here in this foundation, and I had filled those up, and it's good that even after this intense snowfall, it is right over there. This tap I was covered, and I'm gonna remove this cover, and also I'm gonna turn the flow inside on, but that's not required today. Okay, now one important thing is, like, if you have something canopy like this, you see I need to find a way to clean that. It's still good shape, but I must find a way to clean that, because from last 2 years have passed. Two intense snow reasons these metals have seen, especially the one on top where snow stays, and later on ice too. That is very important to be checked, because these are fine, these horizontal ones, but vertical ones I must check. Yeah, so depending upon what you have in your house, few checks you have to do. This area of concrete, here also I'm seeing some chipping. Oh my god, maybe the contractor did not use the best quality concrete, because wow, yeah, it shouldn't come out like this. See this area of concrete, this is excellent, like it's here for at least 10 years and there's no damage, nothing, just the color has been deformed, which is fine. But this one is like 2 years old, and I do see very minor chipping. It shouldn't be here, but anyway, during the summer I'll fix. The snow is still melting and it will be over pretty soon. It's good to see things coming back towards normal. And yeah, hopefully in like this, for next 4 days we have very good temperature here in Canada, so things will be much better. God, I remember this year I had too much trouble cleaning all this. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.